and automated overhead cranes, the future of steel coil lifting. In the steel industry, optimizing operations and ensuring safety are vital. The integration of intelligent and automated overhead cranes in a digitized steel coil lifting workshop marks a major advancement in both efficiency and safety. Here's how this technology transforms production. 1. Digitized steel coil lifting workshop. The workshop is powered by an advanced logistics intelligence system connected to the MES, Manufacturing Execution System. This integration provides real-time data on key elements such as steel coil information, type, size, and weight; coil location, tracks coil positions within the facility; production tasks, allows for dynamic, real-time scheduling. The system acts as the digital brain, enabling automated workflows and improving operational accuracy by adjusting to shifting demands without manual input. Automation at its core. At the center of this system are automated overhead cranes, operating autonomously 24/7. The cranes manage coordinated operations, multiple cranes working together to reduce downtime and increase throughput. Increased efficiency. Tasks traditionally requiring human input, like crane position adjustments, are now automated. Coil transport trolleys further streamline the process by autonomously moving coils, ensuring a synchronized production line. 3. Advanced safety features. The system is built with several safety innovations. Anti-collision. Millimeter wave radar detects proximity between cranes and triggers automatic braking to prevent accidents. Foreign object detection. Sensors ensure no obstacles are in the crane's path, rerouting coils if necessary. Emergency stop. Proximity sensors automatically stop transport trolleys if personnel or forklifts get too close, sending real-time alerts to safety managers. 4. Predictive and intelligent maintenance. To minimize downtime, the system uses predictive maintenance. Real-time monitoring tracks crane and trolley health, alerting personnel to any anomalies. Automatic alerts. Maintenance teams receive real-time inspection tasks via an app. Remote support. If failure occurs, data is sent to a remote service center where engineers provide troubleshooting and support. 5. Future-ready operations. As the workshop evolves, the introduction of automated cranes sets the stage for future operations. 24/7 operation. Automated systems run continuously, reducing reliance on human operators. Smart maintenance. Predictive maintenance replaces traditional methods, offering proactive and efficient repairs. This digitized and automated system revolutionizes steel coil handling, improving efficiency and safety, and prepares the workshop for continued growth and innovation.